Easy Nash, boy Gillmaster G, and here's my 2008 Sportster Roadster 1200. It's got Screaming Eagle exhaust, air intake. It's also got the fuel regulator, like a electronic fuel thing on it. That's what it's got. When I got the bike, it had the full fender on it. I had that chopped back. I didn't know that at the time it has the ECU under the back here, so I had to relocate that. You can just see it poking there. I got the lithium ion battery on it. Absolutely happy with all of it. I love the bike, I love riding it, I love how it feels. It's not as quick as the Bandit, but like it just makes you feel so cool when you're riding it and it's comfortable. Only thing that I find is that when you put the side stand down, it comes up and says side stand when it really shouldn't. So kick the side stand. Let's fire it up.